On this episode of Tool Thursday, it's going to be a little bit different. We actually have an unboxing for you. So this, if I think it is what I think it is a vintage Blue Point 7-inch grinder. Now my dad purchased one just like this, used back in 1982 when he was painting cars. And we used it for years on various metal fabrication projects. He used it when repairing cars. So I've always grown up around one of these, but I've never actually had one. But today's the day that changes. It's new in box. It is a Blue Point 7-inch heavy-duty vertical air sander. Model number AT460. I can't believe we found one. New in the box. Comes with a buffing pad. A sander pad under the buffing pad. Here's the unit itself. And this thing is heavy duty. This thing's gear reduction. It has tons of torque. And that's great. Wow. I bet you this thing's from the late 70s. Before we can use it, we'll need to get us an air regulator on here and the correct fitting. I've never even seen a fitting like that. Believe it or not, this thing came all the way from the UK. Well, let's go ahead and put it together for illustration purposes. This is the grab handle, and it also ducts the exhaust out. I'm so excited. Like I said, my dad bought his used in '82. So they gotta be from the 70s. His has a resin disc that goes on it, and then you take a 7-inch sanding disc and put on top of that. It looks like we could just get a 7-inch sanding disc to put on this though. We don't actually have one to show you. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So we need to get us some sanding discs. It's even got the original tools. Wow. This is so cool. I can't wait to try it. Well, we'll come back and get some footage once we get the regulator and fitting on. Check out this old receipt. This guy bought this thing in 1993. That's awesome. It's not every day you get to open a new in box 30-year-old tool. This is going to make a great addition to our shop. What do you think, Abby? You like it? That thing's fresh off the boat from England. Okay, so we just got back from Tractor Supply. They don't have any abrasives for it, so we're going to have to order those. They also didn't have a little mini regulator for the end of it, so I don't think we're going to need one though, so we're just going to go ahead and run it. Let's check this thing out. Well, let's go ahead and give it a rip. We don't have any abrasive for it, so we won't be doing any actual grinding. But let's burp it a couple times. Thing's got torque out the wazoo. Like I said earlier in the video, I don't have any personal experience with this exact one, but I grew up using one of these at my dad's shop, and we use it for every major metal project, so I mean, it's going to be a common staple on this channel, I think. Well, anyway, we hope you enjoyed this episode of Thursday Tool Overview. We'll see you next week with another fantastic tool from the Abnormal Homestead. Feel free to like the video, leave a comment, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already, and we'll see you on the next episode of Abnormal Garage.